Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing great. So today we are going to see how we can resolve the issue file not found error. So this or error a lot of time comes when we are collecting the data using pandas read CSV or pandas read Excel per se. So I have a file and I have given a path to the file and I'm executing it and I get this error. So most of the time when I get this kind of error that no such file in the directory exists, this occurs mostly due to either the file is not present in that particular directory where we have directed our pandas read CSV to collect the data from. Alternatively, there can be issue that we think that the file is there, we have checked it, but the path that we have given can be incorrect. So here I see the path in the spelling. I can see there is some mistake in the spelling. So the best way, instead of correcting manually typing the path, the best way to do is just go to the directory and where the data is located, just right click on it, copy the path, come back, just change the path with the copied path. This is the correct path, and I'll just change the backslash with forward slash. And then I execute it, and now it ran successfully because I have given the correct path. By copying, you are almost guaranteed that you are not making any mistakes in at least typing the paths. There can be some other issues as well. The second issue can be the file is in the zip format. So in that scenario, you need to extract that file from the zip and place it at some place in the directory and take that path, copy that path the way that I have told you just now. Now there is a third scenario to solve this. Alternatively, you can go to the console of Jupyter Notebook, and in this home page of Jupyter you can just click on upload and just locate to that particular file and then select that file, open and upload that file. So once you have uploaded that file, by clicking again on this upload button, then you go back to your notebook and simply you can just load the data just the way that we did earlier. But here the only difference is that you are not going to give the complete path, you are just going to give the name of the file, and the name of our file is titanic.csv. And then I'll just check the top few rows and execute it, and I get my file in this way as well. So that's it in this video. I hope you liked the video. Please hit the like button and please do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.